Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with 2 checks. Confirm your Android version and that file manager is the Xiaomi app you want to authorize. Once that's done, open Settings, go to Apps, then Manage Apps and find File Manager. Tap Permissions, then Files and Media or Storage. Choose Allow when prompted. This gives the app access to your files. Do this now because basic storage permission is the foundation. Without it, deeper special access steps won't work. Once basic storage permission is granted, handle Android 11 and MIUI restrictions. Go to Settings, Apps, Special App Access, then All Files Access. Find File Manager and toggle Allow Manage All Files. Confirm the system prompt, because this elevates access beyond scoped storage. Next, make sure File Manager can auto-start and is excluded from battery optimization so background operations and transfers won't be killed. These steps prevent intermittent denials and explain why a simple permission grant is not enough on newer Android builds. Finish by reopening File Manager and performing a simple test. Create, rename, or move a file in internal storage to verify access. If an on-demand system prompt appears during an operation, accept it. Sometimes Android asks only when the app needs a specific action. Make sure settings changes persisted. If you still see denied operations, clear the app cache or reset app preferences and retry. This troubleshooting step resolves most permission conflicts without deeper changes, and it explains how to recover when the grant doesn't take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.